morning. Welcome to Destiny Vlogs. Welcome back if you're an OG, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Destiny, and welcome to Vlogmas episode number 2. This is gonna be like a spend the day with me. It was gonna be like a morning routine, but I feel like it's gonna turn into a spend the day with me because I have other stuff to do later, so like, why not? Right now we're going to Target. I need to go get some stuff like hygiene stuff. And then I'm going to go get some coffee because I start work in like an hour. So yeah, we're going to spend like 30 minutes in Target getting some things, and then we're going to go get some coffee and come back home. So yeah, let's go. Is the fit? Don't judge. It's literally 7 o'clock in the morning, y'all, and I'm going to Target and I'm going to get coffee. That's it. So I put on this sweatshirt and then I have my pajama pants on. But yeah, that's what we're wearing. Let's go. What you be doing on your free time? Vlogging. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it's time for me to get all this stuff out the car. I just got back from Walmart, but I got this specifically for my car because every time I come in my car, my lips are extremely dry, and there's no reason they should be because I keep buying like lip gloss and stuff, but then I take it and I put it in my purse and I put it in my work bag and I put... This is staying in the car.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look at me, cause I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna...
Let's get into the Walmart haul. First things first. If you are trying to lose weight, these drinks right here from Walmart, or like the sparkling ice drinks, will be your best friend. This is my favorite flavor, so I got 2 of them. It's the pineapple coconut. Love them down. Next, most of the stuff is like hygiene stuff. My period was on this week. It's still on right now. That's not TMI. We're girls. And to my guys, you know what a period is. But I ran out of pads. Pads. My favorite ones. Love them hands down. I got some kitchen towels for Christmas. Aren't they so cute? These are only like 98 cents at Walmart, so of course. And then I got 2 boxes of lens cleaning wipes because I run through these things like you run through gas. Like your battery dies in your car or your battery dies on your phone. How quickly I run through these. Yes. So I have one that I'm going to keep at work and one that I'm going to keep at home. Because when I get to work, I don't have any. It's ridiculous. So I got 2. I got these bath gloves because I got some body scrubs. And I really want to start using these because I've been using my hands because I threw away the last ones. It's ghetto. Also got some tampons. These are my favorite ones. They're the Super Plus ones. Girl. These last so long. Next. I've been meaning to get Nespresso pods. I really need them. I've been buying coffee, going to Starbucks, spending $7 to $8 on a drink, which is outrageous. When I could spend $10, $20, and have like 20 cups of coffee. So I got espresso pods, and then I also got just like regular coffee. Mouthwash, essential. This is my favorite one. Creamer for my coffee, hazelnut. This and like the Italian sweet cream, or like the Cold Stone Italian sweet cream, or whatever one. I forgot what it's called. Those are my favorites. Like more hygiene stuff. Yeah. This is a trusty. You always need this Dove Sensitive Skin. When it comes to cleaning down there, the only thing that's going down there, and barely going down there, like a teeny weeny size. A teeny weeny size. When I'm on my period and stuff too, this just makes me feel like so clean. Like, I don't know. Love the Sensitive Skin Dove. Next, this is one I've never had before. It smells so good. This is the Dove Rebalancing with White Peach and Rice Milk. Next, this is the one I really wanted. It is a Sugar Cookie Sprinkle. Oh my gosh. Okay, I also got this body scrub. This is what I was talking about. It's the Sugar Cookie Sprinkle by Dove, and it smells so good. So I got this one, and then I also got the body wash to go with it, because I feel like that just made sense. Trusty, I always get this, and I'm running out of it right now. I actually put my cousin on, and now this is the only one she uses. But I feel like I should step outside the box, because they have like, I think 4 or 5 other different flavors. So I got this one. It's called the Pink Champagne. Y'all, 10 out of 10. It smells so good. So I've been working on my Vlogmas intro and outro, which will be in the first Vlogmas vlog, which you'll see way before this anyways. But this is what I came up with. So this is like a template background from Canva, and I just added like, I don't remember what this picture was, but it was something else. And so I just added my picture here, and then these 2 pictures. This picture and this picture is like already part of the thing. But this is just what it looks like. So that's the intro. And then this is the outro. It just has like my socials on it. This background picture is also from Canva. Let me see. I got it from here. And they have like these type of pictures too, which I love. Like, I need to start taking pictures like this. This is good like inspo too. If you want pictures for like just, you know, social media or whatever. This is like, I feel like Canva is a good inspo. So there's that. What else have I been doing? I also worked on my, what is it called? My little like banner, YouTube banner. So I put some Christmas lights. I just kind of like, this was my old banner, previously. So I kind of just duplicated this, and this is the Christmas banner. I just changed the photos. This is a picture just literally recently from Thanksgiving. And then I've just put my name up here, and I added some little like Christmas lights here, which I got, which you can get from like here. I do have Canva Pro. I'm trying it out right now. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but I did just change that. So now when you go to my channel, it'll have like the background like that, the banner like that. So yeah, that's what I've been doing this whole time. My husband called me and said that he's about to take me somewhere, and he told me to get dressed, but he'll let me know when he's like 30 minutes away to get dressed. He said I don't have to dress up, which is good because it's kind of cold outside, y'all. So I'm probably just gonna do a hoodie and some leggings and tennis shoes and call it a day. I don't know what we're doing, but he said it's not like extravagant or anything, which is good. So while I was doing my intro and my outro, I just added the music to it. So let me show you. Oh, let me put you on. If you are an editor, like if you do YouTube or anything like that, and you need non-copyrighted music, that's your girl. If y'all hear Russ, he's literally sleeping and snoring. But this is your girl. I'm telling you she will save you. So I chose my music from her non-copyrighted Christmas Vlogmas music video she just made. This is the song I just chose. But she has like so much stuff, y'all. Like all she does is like non-copyrighted music for vlogs. She has Christian music, hip-hop, R&B, rap, Christmas, whatever. My intro, and then I just added the music to it in CapCut. So that's the intro, the outro. So yeah, I'm really proud of it, y'all. Right now, I am going to be editing my vlogmas video, the first one that is going to be posted before the one you're seeing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get that pretty much edited before my husband comes. It's really not that long. It's 28 minutes. I do have like 3 clips. I don't know why, but they wouldn't download yesterday, y'all. Like, these are the 3 clips. They wouldn't download onto my iPad, so I'm going to see if I can get these 3 clips downloaded on my phone and just edit them down. They are kind of big clips, so it will add like to the length of the vlog as far as time. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just editing and I'm getting stuff done. This vlogmas episode 1 was supposed to be posted yesterday, but I didn't do it, so here we are. I'm really not mad about it though. I've been kind of like on my editing and stuff, but I did like set a calendar for myself. I don't know if I showed y'all that. Let me show y'all the calendar I made for myself. So I'm really being intentional with my content as far as YouTube, which is my main focus right now. Because it's vlogmas. Not that I can't do it on TikTok, but whatever. But this is the calendar that I created for myself. So today is the 6th. So I should be recording a vlog yesterday, which I didn't. So everything is going to be pushed back a little bit. So I guess I can just update this as I'm like talking to y'all. But I was supposed to post vlogmas episode 1 on Wednesday. We're going to move that to today because that's going to get posted to tonight. And then also we're going to have to move that and move that. So this is the vlog that I'm recording right now. And then I had to move it because I was supposed to record it yesterday. But anyways, this is my calendar that I kind of set up for myself. It's kind of loose. I can just move stuff around when I need to. But this is just so like I can keep track of like my vlogs, when I'm posting them, when I should be editing. And then like now if I get behind, I can just go look at my calendar and just move something around and see like where I need to be. So overall, I'm being very intentional and I'm being very consistent with like my vlogging and stuff. Y'all see my Christmas tree in the back? It's so cute. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'll check back in when I'm getting ready to like go out. So my husband still has like about an hour until he gets home. The 3 files that I couldn't get to download to my iPad, I'm gonna try and download them and edit them on my phone. So 2786 right now is downloading on my phone right now. So in the meantime, let's go figure out what we're gonna wear by the time he gets here.
The truth is fitting, 'cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I...
Okay, so we're hanging up Christmas lights. I saw this girl on TikTok kind of do it in her kitchen. So I'm like recreating it with these Christmas lights. It's going to be really cute when we're done. We're using these command strips, and I like these because they're really small, like you can't even really see them. Oh, sorry. And they're holding up the lights. So let me show you what we got from Target, this little mini Target haul. So I got some poppies that I haven't tried before. I got the cranberry fizz one, which these are new. This is like a Christmas edition one, which I keep seeing all over TikTok. And I'm not really a cranberry fan, but I feel like it's going to be good. And then the wild berry one, I haven't tried that one, so I got that one. And I got the raspberry rosé one, which my friend Chrissy swears down. Like, this is hands down the best one. I also got the new Alani Winter Wonderland. This is like Christmas edition, obviously. So I'm excited to try this one. I hope it tastes like Christmas in a can. And then I got this little Christmas mug. Isn't it cute? My husband took me to Target to go like Christmas shopping or just to grab some stuff that he wants. And then I got these cute underwear. They're really cute. He got this deodorant. It's by The Rock. And then we got a mini waffle maker, which we've been wanting a waffle maker for a minute. And so I was like, the mini one should be good just to try because we've never really used one at home. This one was only $7 and it's really cute. It's like a little gingerbread waffle maker. So that'll be really cute. And then he got a water bottle, which is the Zach brand, and some ginger ale because my stomach was messed up.
I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it know. Thank for you, and I just say I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it know. Thank for you, and I just say I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it know. Thank for you, and I just say I don't mean to be bold.
Thank you for coming to this vlog. This is Vlogmas episode 2. I'm glad that you're here. If you're an OG, welcome back. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, Vlogmas Day 3. Bye.